Hello, pleased to meet you. I'm Steve Pybram, a farm CPA, a tax specialist, and I'm dedicated to working with farms and ranches in the United States. I'm a graduate of Cal Poly San Luis Obispo and have a master's degree in taxation from Golden Gate University. I've written many financial planning books and articles on farm taxation and estate planning, the author of 3 financial planning books. I love farming because you meet genuine, authentic, wholesome people who enjoy living on the farm and all the benefits that has to bring. One of the few farm taxation experts in America. This information is not taught in a classroom or read in a book. It's passed on from generation to generation. If you're in the farming business and you own a farm looking to increase your company's profits and cash flow, I'll work with you to add $25,000 to $100,000 or more to the bottom line over the next 12 months using specialized accounting and tax strategies. Now, how can I make such a crazy results-driven offer like this? It's quite simple. Just look at our track record and, most importantly, our experience. I'm an experienced and accomplished farm taxation CPA and well-known in the farming industry, and the author of the syndicated column, Agribusiness Tax Tips. You'll see, over the last 40 years, I've consulted for and worked with farming businesses all over the U.S. and some in Japan and Europe, helping them increase profits, maximize cash flow, and reduce their income tax costs. For example, my client in Salinas was able to simultaneously save $120,000 in taxes through 3 advanced tax reduction strategies and build his and his wife's retirement by $200,000 per year. This was funded basically by the tax savings that we presented to him that he put into his retirement savings. He and his wife now are sleeping well and feeling relieved, knowing that they're building their retirement and a strong financial future, instead of paying good old Uncle Sam. Another farming client did not pay much attention to the office and bookkeeping function of the farming business, spent most of his time in the field. Before coming to our office, he was audited by the IRS. After a few rounds with his accountant of 12 years, he decided to come to us. Mostly, this decision was based on the fact that we're quite specialized in the farming business and know the ropes. We went to bat for him and had to explain why there was such a large lack of documents and invoices. Fortunately, the IRS showed some compassion and tolerance that they seldom do and allowed many of the previously disallowed deductions. The farmer was happy and has been our client ever since. Being able to explain the nature of farming and the time-consuming days of nurturing the crop, which left little time for record of retention chores, this helped get my client off the hook with the IRS. It's not just about tax savings. Take another client, my client from Santa Maria. We worked with him to implement an advanced cash management system and cash flow system for his vegetable farming business. As a result of his new awareness, he was able to significantly streamline his financial operations, reduce his overhead costs, and increase the farm's profitability. With our custom-designed financial strategies and analysis, my client was able to increase the cash flow of his business by over 35% from the previous 12 months. Now, if that's all you need to hear and you're okay with that, just want to know how this is going to work for your business, all you got to do is push on the button below. Below there's a button, click on it to book a call with me. You'll hop on a call with me personally. I'll walk you through how all this works at no cost to you. If you'd like to work together to implement the strategies we go over, we can talk about what this might look like and see if it might be a good fit. There's no obligation whatsoever. Worst case scenario, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're not leaving money on the table in your farming business. And by the way, if you want to know more about how and why this works so well, pay attention, stay tuned. Let me tell you that there's 3 key steps that we take with each farming business that we work with. The first step is increasing your farming's business profitability. This is an important task. We start by taking a comprehensive profitability assessment, a thorough analysis of your farming operations. We'll analyze your revenue streams, field costs, and overhead expenses to identify opportunities to improve your bottom line. This includes adjusting product pricing, sales desk procedures, renegotiating supplier contracts, cutting unnecessary spending, and optimizing office and field staffing. More money in your pocket means more freedom and a more fulfilling lifestyle for you, and the ability to invest in what really matters to you. That's the first step of leveraging your business to create lasting financial improvement. While profit is great, it doesn't equal cash in the bank. So the second step we take with each of our clients is conducting a thorough cash flow analysis. This will identify strategies to boost the volume of incoming product orders while controlling outgoing farm expenses. These are important steps to take in your farming enterprise. Additionally, we'll implement strategies to manage supplier payments efficiently and prevent any late payments or penalties. We use a system called Just-on-Time Payment System. The Just-on-Time Payment System may increase the interest income you earn while the cash is resting idly at your bank. To improve cash flow, you'll be able to pay yourself more and have increased capital. With this increased capital, you'll be able to reinvest in the growth of your farming operations. So that's the second step, helping you accelerate and manage cash flow, a very important step to your overall farming operation. Once you're profitable and cash flow is optimized, the third step is to legally minimize your income tax costs. This is my favorite step. We'll look at every tax deduction, credit, benefit, and accounting method available to you to reduce your income tax costs. In farming, there are a lot of ways to minimize your tax liability that are unavailable, just simply unavailable to any other types of businesses. So you want to tune in to what you can do and be able to get the maximum deductions that you're entitled to. This includes maximizing your depreciation expenses, taking advantage of entity structuring options, choosing ideal fiscal year ends, and utilizing retirement planning strategies, net worth building techniques. We provide flexibility and strategies that allow you to pay yourself instead of paying Uncle Sam. We also implement income tax planning strategies early in the year to help you minimize the liability so you can do this and accomplish this before the end of the year. Reducing tax liability means more money for you, expanding your farming business, or advancing your personal goals, such as investing in real estate, new equipment, training or recruiting talented staff. These are the key 3 steps that we take to increase your profitability, maximize your cash flow, and reducing your income tax costs. So if you want to increase your farming's business profitability, maximize your cash flow, work with a knowledgeable and experienced farming industry expert, and legally reduce your income tax liability, click the button below. To book a call, click the button below. This will book a call with me. On this call, I'll analyze your business entity structure, your accounting system, and tax strategy to make sure you're maximizing your farm business profits and cash flow and minimize your income tax costs. Also, I'll show you how we can work together to add $25,000 to $100,000 or more to the bottom line of your business over the next 12 months. Using these strategies, the best case scenario is that I'll help you identify opportunities to build your business that give you income and lifestyle you want. The worst case scenario, I'll walk you through all of the insights and give you the advice from our call for free. You'll be able to implement these strategies that we develop on your own. Plain and simple, no cost, no obligation. It's a free telephone call to get some good information. So click below, schedule a call. We'll see if this might work for you. I'm Steve Pybram, CPA author and farm tax expert. Let's talk soon.